Okay, so we're going to start out making the value scale. I don't expect this to be perfect, okay? But do use a ruler. As you can see, we want 10 squares. And right to here is 10 inches. So we're just going to draw a line. And guess what? Let's make this super simple. I made it crooked. Okay. Draw a second line. And I'm stopping at 10 inches. At every inch, I want you to put a dot. Like this. All right. Now, this part, if you want to, you can go below and kind of just eyeball it and make your other dot, because you're going to just basically connect these. Like I said, don't want it to be perfect, but I do want you to try. This will give you your little spaces to do the stippling. Now, I didn't get that one connected. Let me redo that real quick. Okay, you can either be, this is the simplest way, is just to go along with your ruler and connect them. Or you could try to do it. I'm gonna have to get a different Sharpie. I can't be using this Sharpie. Alrighty, so go through, gotta connect them. Some of them are a little crooked, but at least it gives you that space to do the value scale. Alright, so you can even to help yourself, write number 1, number 2, just like the example that I attached. I forgot how to count. 5, 6, number 7, 8, 9, number 10. Alright. The first one is white. It's a freebie. You do nothing in that square. Now in the second one, the dots, you're going to hold your pen straight up like this. And you shouldn't hear your pen. This is going to kill your marker, and it's going to annoy your friends, and it's going to make the tadpoles, because you're moving too fast. You're tilting your pen, everything. Don't do that, okay? Tadpoles was that example in the reading where they look kind of like this because you're just tired of it. That's a mess, okay? Like this. The next one, they're a little closer together. You're going to kind of hear it, but at least it's not obnoxious. Whoops, you see that little guy? I was getting a little bit of a rush going on.
You got dot happy.
I did. Very dot happy. Look at me. I'm like, whoops. Okay, I got a couple little baby tadpoles, little baby ones. Alrighty, that might have been a bit much. When you look at the example, it is hard, and that's why we practice to know how many to put in the next one, the next one, the next one. Okay, number 3. Oh, no, it's okay. I think I got confused. All right, number 4. Just a little bit more closer together. I gotta make sure I don't go to number 5. It's a very, it's kind of like adding salt to food. Let's say,
or pepper.
Or pepper. Yeah, pepper, because they're the little dots. Okay, so let's say you put too many. You can't take that back, can you? But if you put too few, and then you go to number 5 and you realize I should have put a few more, you can go back and fix that easier than, like if I do this on number 4. Okay, well number 4 actually looks almost like number 6. Number 6 should be like this. Okay, so put what you think, even if you have to go like number 3. And then you go to number 5, they're just even a little closer, and you're like, okay, I should have come back and do this. Some people, now I'm just kind of hopping around now just because I'm not going to finish this. I'm going to jump clear down to number 10. Number 10 is solid. Number 10 will take patience. But you still aren't hearing me. And now you cannot just color this in. It's breaking the rules. Okay? This is a technique. Okay? Some people like to do white, then solid black. Then number 2, then number 9. It's okay to do that. It's a thinking process. That's your individual way to do it. Some people think, oh, I know I can do number 6. So they'll do number 2, then number 6. And then they'll fill in the areas in between. Like you might want to do number 1, number 10, number 6, and fill everything in between, because then you know where you're going. It gives you a direction. Each one feels hard to me, so I know it's going to feel hard to you. So you pick your technique. If it was me, I'm a different person than you, I would go here, here, number 6, and then fill it in this space, fill in this space, okay? But you may like to go gradually one at a time. So that's how we are all different. Alrighty, I am going to let you guys try this. I miss you guys.